List 6, a time and a place. This is your chron video. So chron is a Greek root that means time. Your words for this root are chronic, chronicle, chronological, chronically, and chronograph. Your first word is chronic, and this means persisting for a long time or constantly recurring. So if you are always tired, you might say that you have chronic tiredness. It persists for a long time or it constantly happens over and over again. Your next word is chronically. This is to occur in a habitual, repeated, or long-standing matter. So if you get sick and then you get sick again and get sick again and get sick again, you may say that you are chronically sick. It happens repeatedly over a long period of time. So on your homework for chronically, I want you to write something that may happen chronically. Your next word is chronicle. This is a description of events in the order that they happened. So if you think of C.S. Lewis has a series of books called The Chronicles of Narnia. These are a description of events, they're narrative writings, in the order that they happened. So you start with the first book and they go in order. So if you would write a chronicle, what would you write it about? On your homework, write that down. If you wrote a chronicle, what would you write it about? Next is chronological. This means events that are arranged in the order of time that they happened or took place. So the picture there, the graphic there, is the evolution of phones. So it started with the phone on the left, and it goes the whole way to the phone on the right. This graphic is the phones that this person whoever made it had. So they are in chronological or time order. So on your homework, I want you to write 3 events from your life in chronological order. Your next word is chronograph. And this is a device like a stopwatch that is used for measuring and recording time in a very exact way. So I'd like to think of a stopwatch as digital. A chronograph is more of an analog version of a stopwatch. So on your homework, write what you would use a chronograph for.